and Guduram, Andhra Pradesh. You can pick up whatever you
Okay.
want and start learning.
Mm-hmm.
There are a lot of open online courses available. MOOC,
Okay.
massive open online courses.
All right. That's like if they want to specialize in something. So, like if she wants
Anything,
to go to HR
anything,
in the future.
anything you
So,
can study anywhere around the world from any university.
mm,
അപ്പോൾ
okay.
എവിടെയാ പോയി പഠിക്കേണ്ടതെന്ന് ആദ്യം തീരുമാനിക്കാം.
Okay.
She must decide this is where I want to go.
Okay. She hasn't even decided what she wants to do
Yeah.
fully. So that is why we haven't decided where she wants to go.
അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ
That is one of
ജനറിക്
the
ആയിട്ടുള്ള പഠനം. See,
mm,
if I know where to go, I know which vehicle has to take.
mm,
If I don't know where to go, you are asking to get into a vehicle,
mm.
it becomes problematic.
Exactly.
Understood? So,
No,
ആ
so
സമയത്ത്
basically, like initially she was like UK, അത് legal എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ സമയത്ത് she was like UK Trinity അതൊക്കെയാണ് all options ആയിട്ട് consider ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നത്. But now she's like, okay, I'm not sure fully if it's legal. I'd like to do where I'm exposed to more people and it's like managing them or
see,
supporting them, giving them
ആദ്യമായിട്ട്
guidance. അങ്ങനത്തെ type, what sort of
ആദ്യമായിട്ട്
things?
വേണ്ടത് she should have general reading habits.
Mm,
Reading habits
okay,
ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ I can ask few questions and
mm,
then know what is her interest.
okay,
Reading habits is like you are in a exhibition, food mela is happening, you are going and tasting everything. Then I will tell you,
yeah,
oh, this food is good, that food is not good. I can describe the food only when she must have at least had a taste of some food, and I will tell you
what
this
is the
is what
situation?
the
Yeah,
ingredient is.
mm,
Understood? If she has not tasted any food, you ask me what to eat. That is why I asked you what is father studied, what mother studied. അതിൽ ചെറിയൊരു
okay,
ഇൻഫ്ലുവൻസ് എന്തായാലും ഉണ്ടാവും.
okay.
അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്?
ഞങ്ങളുടെ രണ്ടാളുടെയും ബാക്ക്ഗ്രൗണ്ട് ഇസ് ഇൻ കോമേഴ്സ്
ഇപ്പം
സോ
ഇപ്പം ഞാൻ സി നോട്ട് ദാറ്റ് നോ മൈ ഫാദർ വാസ് എ കൊമേഴ്സ് പേഴ്സൺ, ബട്ട് ഐ ഡിഡ് മൈ MBA. Okay,
ഓക്കെ
so it's not that my father was an LLB. I did my law.
മറ്റൊന്നും ഉണ്ടായില്ലേ
മക്കള് see there is one program called the SJM, Shiksha Jnanam Mentoring.
ഓക്കെ
Okay,
how do I if you could like
go to
give the
Google.
spelling of it then I could
No, you just go to YouTube and then type DrTPS. There are
okay
nearly 60-70 playlists. You type
okay
Dubai DrTPS, you will see me in Dubai. You type Saudi
all right
Arabia, you will see me in Saudi Arabia. You type Kuwait, you will see me in Kuwait, Bahrain, Oman. Everywhere I have gone many times, 100 times. Okay.
wonderful okay
Law Dr. TPS, newspaper Dr.
okay
TPS, UPSC Dr. TPS, physics Dr. TPS. Okay. Type
wonderful
whatever
okay
subject you want, somewhere something you will see. It's not you.
okay
She must have some
mm.
interest in looking at what is this man doing.
okay
Understood. Then she should come back with some few specific questions.
okay
Understood.
I'll ask her to do that no worries
Learning,
but I wanted to get a
learning,
guidance from you on how to
learning
proceed
any
further
subject is good. You can always shift from one subject to another subject. Today, world is see to learn AI. You should have a, see. I gave a program called AI and Logistics Management nearly 2 years back.
okay
So there was a
oh
transport company who was
wonderful
doing logistics management, aircraft, ship, import, export. When I gave talk, they were asking what does it for us to do with AI. But now after 2 years, he comes back and says, "Yeah, good that you told us, but we never followed what you said." Understood.
I know the transformation on the world that's happening is very rapid with AI
See, most of my books are written called
mm.
3-2-1 world. People talk about 21st century education, but I don't speak about 21st century. Century is 100 years.
Mm.
Things don't change in 100 years, things change in 10 years. So I kept calling it as third decade of 21st century. In next 5 years, what you want, you can predict. That itself is great.
Okay.
Okay, so I speak about what will happen in next 3 years, next 4 years. When I was a management professor, I started talking about fractals. Okay,
Fractals.
yeah.
What that's like?
Fractals means you go into deeper and deeper and deeper, you get specialized more and more. That's what is deep learning today.
Absolutely. So
Okay.
you mean like core learnings?
Almost 10 years
Earlier.
back, I was talking about supply chain management, okay, project planning.
Got
People
it.
people don't understand all that, no. So what is
No,
essentially
obviously, yes, because
what is required is children should learn what is today available, up to date. How do you get into that? Understand what is going to happen tomorrow in the world.
mm,
Okay, you must go to exhibitions. You are not physically able to go, but listen to that virtually. Capture
mm.
all the technical terms, understand the meaning.
So far she has we have not got her much of exposure to those kind of exhibitions as yet. More like what she is participating in നമ്മുടെ ഇവിടെ MUN ഉണ്ട് mock United Nations there. So our world problems and all they discuss and all that stuff. No? So അങ്ങനത്തെ forums. Those are what she is interested in. She has started participating in
See,
since last
always
year.
understand when it is done in schools, it is done for a generic group.
Mm. Yeah.
Okay. And
Mm.
generic group, how do schools celebrate? When one person get an award, they celebrate.
Mm.
Understood? So I keep
Yes.
saying, what is Divya's daughter's name?
Ananya.
If Ananya gets a prize, the whole school celebrates and get credit. So I keep
Mm.
saying it is not school credit, it is Divya's credit that Ananya got a prize. If 10 of your students get in your class, then the teacher can take a credit.
Mm.
If 100 students in
Yeah.
your school
Right.
gets credit, the school can take a credit. If one student gets, it is parents' credit.
Yeah, she actually kind of she did one win also second place
See,
last time.
most of the time, what happens in schools, I know because I have seen 10,000s of schools. All the Indian
Mm.
schools in Gulf, most of the teachers would have attended my class.
Okay.
Okay, we know the standard of the teachers. What do they do is probably they will Google something, find something, and then give it to students. They do that is not what is exactly to be done. I don't know whether debate.
Mm.
Assume that somebody has to participate to debate. Where do you get knowledge from?
Mostly from ChatGPT or Google, whatever Google you do your
There are
research, right?
beautiful documentary movies available.
Okay.
Okay. It needs some patience, listen, understand how do people prepare,
Mm.
basic reading. Otherwise, superficially you will win. Okay, but go
For
in,
bare facts.
yeah, go into the. If everything is available, why do we want people around? People are required because you must know little more than the missions.
Mm.
Okay, so to know that you should know how to ask questions.
Mm.
So tomorrow's world is going to be prompt engineering. The subject is
Okay.
called prompt engineering. You,
Means you get asked no first
yeah,
know what is the problem statement you have to ask.
yes. Based on that, the answer will become different.
Mm.
I can search something, Divya can also search, both of us will get different answers. DrTPS without a gap, without a dot.
Pretty like ChatGPT it came really fast with your picture and everything,
Yeah.
the entire description.
See, today's world is this easy, correct?
Yes.
You don't have
Yeah.
to ask somebody. See, before talking to somebody, you should know who is this person, what can I get from him. Okay, TPS. Type Dr. TPS guidance, student guidance,
Like
education guidance, anything
Dr.
you type,
Student guidance.
or type Dr. TPS physics. DrTPS law. Type whatever topic you want.
Okay. Dr. T. And then
See what I'm
project
saying,
answer.
it's
Yeah.
very easy for anybody to learn on anything, get some information, collect data, and learn as much as you can. What it,
Yeah.
which is the best documentary movie to learn debate? Type in and find out. Which is the best documentary movie?
Best documentary movie.
Documentary is always education. Cinema is fun. Film is a common name. So you must know the difference between all these small words.
One or multiple, it depends on how you is one they say movie called Resolve, see? There's another called P. That's a documentary. So it is a documentary. Creators Without Borders.
Are you getting?
Okay, so you have got your option.
So
Yeah.
decide that every day you invest at least 1 hour to learn generic like this. Create some 10 different topics you are going to search and find out. And now you what is your favorite subject, Ananya? Not what you are studying, what you want to study in your life future.
I don't know what I would want to
Don't,
study, but like my favorite subjects would be like business and psychology
yeah.
and sociology.
Business and psychology and sociology all are same only. Because in business,
Different subject.
yeah, no, business there is a behavior. You have to study the behavior of people so that you can approach them for selling the items and all that. I am also a business professor, professor of MBA, and I also as a professor of practices for ICFI, and I also a psychotherapist. I have an MS in psychotherapy and counseling. Okay, and I also have an LLB, and I'm a scientist. My subject is physics and mathematics.
Scientist doctor, there was a small lag. Scientist
I'm basically a mathematician. My subject is mathematics.
Cool, right? Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So what you should do is now you want to business behavior. You type MOOC MOOC on Google, not on ChatGPT.
On Google.
Go to
Yeah,
Google
not
search
ChatGPT,
MOOC, massive open online courses.
Then courses.
Free, free online business
Yes.
behavior certification.
Search business behavior certification. You can search them. No. Okay, just put it 9% away. Okay.
It will give you at least 10 to 15 websites. One will be Coursera, one will be edX. So many university names it will tell you.
Yeah. Well, courses here. No, where's the one he said? Business principal and undergrad, the Babson College. Oh, he said behavior or something.
Now you will explore different subtopics.
You can explore what you want, Anna. That is what he's saying.
Different topics you will explore related to this.
Oh.
Go and join 5 courses or 10 courses today. Just now. It doesn't cost you anything. They will not ask you anything. Just keep on doing programs like this. Decide that in next 1 month you are going to do 50 courses from universities all across the globe. You will know there are hundreds of universities, there are thousands of certificate programs, and you keep a big file wherein you will file all your certificates. All the ones that you just go through over here and see which all courses you would like to see. Our free online courses are put your no code and then see which ones are more interesting. That's worth it, right? Now, when you do business, you will not see business. I'm sure. Not that I don't know. I just wanted to tell you business and behavior. That's what you said. Correct. Yeah. But you want to very specific. When you go through, you will understand Now MOOC, type in MOOC, free online courses. Customer behavior you write. In business, what is bothered?
I'm saying we need to search customer behavior notebook.
Yeah, customer behavior is the terminology which is to be used. I don't want to tell you that, you will invent yourself that word. Now you will see lot of specific courses.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, we have. So even from Indian universities, actually. First
So
one
many,
are
because
Indian
customer behavior is common for every MBA program, every BBA program.
universities. Okay. We have multiple options actually to select from.
Okay, now type Dr. TPS, emotional intelligence for corporate communications. You will see a book. So many will be there. You keep on learning all this.
DrTPS, what?
Emotional intelligence. Good enough. Emotional intelligence. You will get a book.
DrTPS. No, it's not in the same website, Nikuti. It is a new thing.
Ananyascintayanto mam yejana
Shiksha.in.
paryupasate tesham nityabhiyuktanam yogakshamam mahamyam.
What? That's something from Sanskrit. I mean, as
Ananyascintayanto
for
mam
Sanskrit, I didn't know.
Ananyascintayanto mam yejana paryupasate. Ananya means don't be anything else. Be very focused. That's the meaning.
Oh.
Ananya means not anything else. That means always be focused. Be focused. Bhagavan will give you what you want. You type Dr. TPS Ananya, you will get some sloka on YouTube. Which is the toughest subject? Which is the toughest chapter you have in your exam?
Subject chapter. Which is the toughest subject that you're facing when you're for your examinations right now? Like to study, to understand.
Guess one question.
Guess any one question that could come. I can't guess a question. I can guess a topic a question would come from, but I don't know how to frame a question.
Yeah, your knowledge depends on how do you frame questions.
I can't think of a question to frame myself.
That is
If I
how
see a
that is how
question, I
you
can
should learn.
solve it, but I can't think of how to frame.
Who is your good best friend?
Have many. Give a couple of names.
Decide
Two friends
one good friend
any one person you like the most.
with whom you can study. You know this is what is going to be your exam, and if you can prepare a question, and that means those questions are very important and you know how to guess the important question, that means you don't have to prepare for exams. That's over. That's a trick of learning. Look at 30 points to students, 20 points to parents and teachers, Dr. TPS. Study, exam, face, enjoy, study. Enjoy, study, exam, Dr. TPS on Google. You will get 30 points. A blog you will get. There are 90 blogs. One of the blog is exam preparation.
Answer. Just enjoy exams.
Dr. TPS.
Dr. TPS.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you get a blog?
Okay. I got the overview and a blog. Yes, exams. Blogger.com.
Yes.
30 points for the students. Yes. 30.
That's it. That's a method to study.
This one. Good. Read through those points. I'm reading.
It's very easy to get marks in examination, and prepare for exam doesn't take much time. Whichever exam in the world. You can see physics, SAT. SAT is the exam qualified for, or the students who have to qualify to get admission in American universities. You can see my students sitting around me in America and learning, preparing for SAT exams in America. in which they learn physics, maths, English, all the subjects from me.
Yeah.
SAT.
Doctor, do you take like online courses and all for the subjects also, like subject wise?
I will only make
Or
students
is it
to learn how to learn.
how to study? Okay,
So they can study anything
got
and
it.
everything. That's what I do.
Got it.
I am not
Basically,
going
you
to
are learning
teach
how
them.
to learn and how to make content.
I am not going to
Mm.
teach them cycling on this road, this road, this road. I will make them to learn cycling. Whichever road they want, they can cycle.
Mm. Wonderful.
No, that will not happen. That is why I said you want a good friend who will may prepare a question. They will prepare a question. If both are common, good friends, and they are good students, you will get it.
Late night ആണെന്ന് എനിക്കറിയാം. But I wanted, that's why I was like, okay, ഉണ്ടാവുക free ആണ് എന്ന് ചോദിച്ചിട്ട് ഇതാക്കാം. But still,
These
thank you. I really,
consultations
really
goes
appreciate it.
consultation goes unending for me. Another 2 3 hours I will have job.
No, but it's great, sir, that you are actually helping us out like this. നമ്മൾ പെട്ടെന്ന് ഇങ്ങനെ വിളിച്ചു ചോദിച്ചിട്ട് and then for people like her, like even kids like her who have no like
You
they this
look
thing
at all
idea
the
like what
different
exactly they
branches:
want right now.
BBA, MBA, MSc, chemistry, zoology, microbiology, mechanical engineering, mathematics, physics, chemistry. You type Dr. TPS, you will get different subjects, different students.
Definitely, doctor.
All of
ഞങ്ങൾ
them are
search
there.
ചെയ്യാം. Means you have given a good base for us to start this search.
All of
So
them are
let's
around me.
anyways just do it on
Yeah.
the sir.
And look at SJM Dr. TPS. That is where I have got a Shikshatnana mentoring. I'll make students to write, present. I have conducted
Okay.
virtual camps
Oh.
in which students are there in different parts of the world. A patient comes from Dubai, doctor is sitting in Kottayam. Mix all of them, make a drama
Nice.
online during the
That
COVID
sounds
and
interesting.
all that. Yeah,
And even like these like pre-college kids, അങ്ങനത്തെ വല്ലതും ഉണ്ടോ?
I had a lot of. I was there 1 month in Abu Dhabi for a camp, social club.
Oh. Doctor, next time വരുമ്പോ എന്തായാലും പറയൂ because we would definitely love to meet up with you
No, I
in
come only
person.
on invitations from people for a
Okay.
program,
All
and
right.
that is my
And
program.
ബിന്ദു ചേച്ചി പറഞ്ഞു like you had എന്താന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു like ഇത് മില്ലേനിയം സ്കൂളിൽ എവിടെയോ വെച്ച് പ്രോഗ്രാം
Bindu did.
നടത്തിണ്ടായിരുന്നു
That
ബിന്ദു
was
ചേച്ചി.
approximately 10 years back.
Yeah, so she had told that that was there. I'll also get in touch with her. Let's see എന്തെങ്കിലും നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം.
Okay.
It is really, really appreciate this, doctor. Thank you so much for your time and guidance.
Thank you so
നമുക്ക്
much.
നല്ല ഇൻഫർമേഷൻ കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. Thank you. Good night.
Good night.